Welcome to Adorable Corner, where sensible reigns. It is our promise to keep you informed and entertained with all that makes sense. Do subscribe to this channel and like our videos always.
Hello everyone, sure you're doing great and welcome to yet another tutorial. And today I will actually be exploring one application that is very useful when it comes to downloading videos, music from YouTube, Facebook, Vimeo, and other video hosting or music hosting sites that this application can actually support. Let me mention here that the application I'm talking about here is not 100% accessible, but you can actually use it as a visually impaired person. The accessibility ratings, personally I will give it about 80 something percent. We all rate differently anyway. Like I said, it's not 100% accessible, but it's still possible for you to do all you need to do with this application. And what application am I talking about here? I'm talking about Videoder. Videoder is an application that has been found to be very cool when it comes to downloading from YouTube, Facebook, and other, supported sites. Now, this is because Videoder has been found not to overwork your CPU, like SnapTube does, VipMate does, and some other YouTube downloader application. But with Videoder, you can download as many as possible, videos at a time, and it will still not overwork your CPU. That's the good thing about this app. And the interface is clean enough also. So let me just go straight into this application and let you see what it looks like. So I would be launching Videoder right now.
Google apps, double apps, capital H, edit box, double tap and delete, capital B, capital V, capital V, Videoder, grid, 3 rows, 4 columns.
So that is
Actions,
Videoder.
uninstall, app info, app. Button, double
Now
tap to
let me
activate.
mention here that I'm using the premium version. That's the latest version, 14.2 premium version. I'm not using the free version. So if you are using free version, you'll be presented with some ads. Although this application has ads blocker, but the ads blocker would not be able to block the sponsored ads that this app actually depend on to run. But because I'm using the premium version, you're not going to be seeing any ads here, except if I actually go to YouTube and actually try to download something and that thing has some ads in it. So that's when you will get to notice any advertisement. But except that, there is no ads in the premium version, I meant to say. So let's just do something.
Search or enter URL.
Now before I go to
Search
the
double tap to activate.
downloading parts of the Videoder, when you install Videoder and you launch it, the first button you will see is this button. I want you to listen.
Double tap to activate.
It's pronounced Saka. So I don't know what it is, but I can tell you what it does. That's one thing about Videoder. Many of the buttons are not labeled, but with time the developer will do that, because people are actually communicating with him and he's a listening person. He will do that with time. So the first button you will have here
Search or enter URL.
is
Button.
a button called
Double tap to
Saka.
activate.
That's actually the menu button. So you need to go here first, because I need to show you something, you know, on the settings menu. So let's see.
Menu. Videoder Premium.
So I just clicked that, and the first thing you heard, menu, and the second thing, Videoder Premium. That's because I'm using the premium version. So I'll be swiping right till I hear settings.
FM button. Not checked. Check. PL button. 14 point. What's new? Check for update. Sign in. Get all your settings.
Okay.
Double tap to
So
activate.
this is settings. So I'll click here.
Server button. Double settings. TD button. Content settings. Language. Region. Safe mode. And list. 5 items.
So we have the
Double tap to
content
activate.
setting. I will not go here.
Themes. Colors. Night mode.
We have
Double
the
tap to activate.
theme setting. This is not where I'm interested in.
Downloads. Location. Auto tagging. Auto resume, etc.
Okay,
Double tap to
now
activate.
you need to click here, and let me show you something.
Server button. Downloads. TD button. Double tap to activate. Media volume. Download location. /storage /emulated /0/Videoder. And list. 8 items. Double tap to activate. TD button. Out of list. Download location. /storage /emulated /0/Videoder. And list. 8 items.
Good. So this is the download location. If you desire to change it to your own preferred output folder, you can click here and you choose your own output folder from your phone memory.
Max parallel download tasks. 2 tasks. Volume control hidden.
Max parallel download task is actually 2. Okay, that's the max parallel. Yes, download task. I hope you know what that means. It's actually 2.
Number of threads for fast downloading. 4 threads for download. Double
Now,
tap to
number of
activate.
thread for fast downloading is actually 4 thread. Now I would recommend that you don't touch this area, but you can go there if really you know what you're doing. But everything is okay here.
Use fast MP3 conversion mode. Audio quality of converted audio can be a little lesser than original. Double tap
So
to
please
activate.
do not use the fast MP3 conversion mode, because it will actually decrease the quality of your audio.
Not checked. Switch.
So that's why you
Double
can
tap to
see
toggle.
it not synced.
Auto apply audio tags to downloads, cover, artist, etc. Title, artist. Double tap. Auto resume downloads. Auto resume only over Wi-Fi.
Good. This
Double
is
tap to
where
activate.
I want you to actually go. Auto resume.
Auto apply. Auto resume downloads. Auto resume only over Wi-Fi.
Auto resume
Double tap to
download. By
activate.
default, it's on auto resume only over Wi-Fi. Okay, that's what my screen reader is calling Wi-Fi. Now you need to change it to something else. Let's see.
Auto resume downloads. Not checked. Radio button. Do not auto resume. And list. 3 items. Double tap to
Because if you
activate.
don't change this and you are downloading something and network, fluctuate or something, and when the network comes back, it will not auto resume because you are not on Wi-Fi. But if you are on Wi-Fi, it will resume automatically. But you can actually change it.
Not checked. Radio.
Now let's see.
Not checked.
The
Radio button.
first
Do not auto
option
resume.
is do not
Double tap to activate.
auto resume.
Not checked. Radio button. Auto resume over mobile data or Wi-Fi.
Now,
Double tap to activate.
the second option, auto resume over mobile data or Wi-Fi. So this is what you should tick. So I've just checked that right now.
Auto resume downloads. Out of
Let's
list.
see.
Not checked. Radio button. Do not checked. Radio button. Auto resume over mobile data or Wi-Fi.
Good.
Not checked. Radio button. Auto resume only over Wi-Fi. Double cancel. Out
So
of
you
list.
click on
Okay.
OK.
Auto resume downloads. Auto resume over mobile data or Wi-Fi. And list. 8 items. Download only over Wi-Fi. Media will only be downloaded when Wi-Fi is available. Double tap to
Good.
activate.
Download data over
Auto resume.
Wi-Fi.
Download only over Wi-Fi. Media will
Yes,
only be
download
downloaded when
only
Wi-Fi is
over
available.
over
tap to activate.
Wi-Fi. Media will only be downloaded when Wi-Fi is available. If you swipe once,
Not checked. Switch.
you see it's on
Double tap
check.
to toggle.
So just leave it here. Don't check it, because if you check it, you won't be able to download using your mobile data.
Show download speed bytes /sec. Show download speed bytes instead of bits per second. Not checked. Switch.
So that's all I want to show you here. Let me press the
Button.
back
Out of list.
button and see other settings.
Other settings. Copy your video player autoplay default resolution. Downloads location off. Video player autoplay default. Other settings. Copy your detection. Reset app. Uninstall function, etc. Double tap to activate.
Okay.
Video player. Downloads location auto tagging auto resume, etc.
Now you can
Double tap
decide to
activate.
explore all these on your own if you like, but what I just really want to show you is what I've actually been able to practicalize from the
Themes, colors, downloads location auto tagging auto resume, etc.
settings
Double tap to
menu.
activate.
So let's go
Back
back
button.
to
Out of
the
list.
main menu.
Videoder premium. Back button. Home button. Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Live, Sports. TD button. Search or enter. Search button.
Now,
Double tap to activate.
after the first button, you have this
Search or enter URL.
search
Double tap to
or
activate.
enter URL. So this is where you actually open, and two things you can do. You can paste a link here and click the search button. Then Videoder will actually look for the video for you and you'll be able to download it, or
TD
type
search or enter URL.
something. Now let
Double
me
tap to
just type
activate.
something here now.
Showing text keyboard. Edit. S. D. D. I. O. O. N. N. Clear history. Double tap to activate. Don Williams. Enlist. 22 items. Double tap to activate. Clear history. Out of list. Don Williams. Enlist. 22 items.
Okay,
Double tap to
so
activate.
Don Williams, I'll click on it.
Don. Beginning of field. Keyboard hidden. Showing text keyboard.
Yeah, now let me explain something. You see that I just typed DON and I can actually see Don Williams. That's because as you search, Videoder actually helps you keep your search history, so you can make it short whenever you actually want to get something and you see it among your search history. So let's see
Search
what
button.
I
Don
have.
Williams. D9. A14. GR button.
Ignore
Filter.
these GR,
Double tap to
A14,
activate.
A19, just ignore them.
Don Williams. Tracks and albums. Top track. 0354. Send me back home. Enlist. 9 items.
So that's
Double tap
one
to activate.
track from
Out
Don
of list.
Williams.
0354. Out of list. Don Williams. Tracks. 0354. Send me back home. Enlist. 9 items. U8 button. S3 button. Of button. 0409. Lord. I hope this day is good single version.
Okay,
Double tap to activate.
now I like this one. Now let's now say I want to download it. I'll click here.
Progress bar. Generating download links. Enlist. 2 items.
So you can hear generating downloads link. So let's see whether it's ready. I'll just swipe right.
QR button. Out of list. A0. Subscribe. Audio download links.
Good. So you actually have audio and video. So let's start.
M4A 128 kbps 3.8 MB. Enlist. 3 items.
So you have
Double tap to
M4A,
activate. MP3 256 kbps 8.4 MB.
you have MP3.
MP3 128 kbps 3.8 MB.
Now you actually
Double tap to
have
activate.
two MP3. Now the first one is
MP3 256 kbps 8.4 MB.
250
Double tap to activate.
50 something kbps. Okay, then the
MP3
second one
128 kbps 3.8 MB.
128 kbps. So I think it actually depends on the quality of the audio. Now if you want high quality, take the first one.
MP3 256 kbps 8.4 MB.
Then if
Double
you
tap to
want a bit of something that is not too high but it's not actually low quality, then
MP3 128
keep this
kbps
one.
3.8 MB.
Then
Double tap. Video download links. Out of
we
list.
go to video.
Subtitles. MP4 480p 12.8 MB. Enlist. 4 items.
Yes, we have
Double
MP4.
tap. MP4 360p 14.1 MB.
That's another
Double tap to
MP4.
activate.
Okay, we have the big one, the small one.
MP4 240p 6.0 MB.
That's another
Double tap to activate.
MP4.
3GP 144p 2.3 MB. Double
Okay,
tap to activate.
3GP.
Up next. Autoplay. Out of list.
Okay, now at times you have two 3GP format too. Yes, one, depending on the size, one is actually big in size, one is actually small in size, and you can decide to choose anyone depending on what you like. Now
MB.
I'm
MB. Sub.
actually going to be using audio to
Audio down. Subscribe.
demonstrate.
Audio download links. M4A 100. MP3 256 kbps 8.4 MB. MP3 128 kbps 3.8 MB.
Okay,
Double tap to activate.
now I want to download this one. Now I'll click here.
File name. Don Williams dashboard. I hope this day is good. Open
Now,
MP3. Don
you
Williams
have
dashboard.
the
I hope
file
this day is good. Open
name
128 kbps. Edit box.
If you decide to actually change the name of this file, you can click here and you'll be able to change anything you want to change. Meant to say. So Videoder actually offers you that opportunity that is not available in many YouTube downloader app.
MP3.
So this is the file extension.
128 kbps.
That's the size.
Download location /storage/emulated/0/Videoder.
So that's
double tap to activate.
location.
Accelerate download with 4 threads. 4 recommended.
Okay. Then I'll
cancel. Double tap to activate.
Then
start download.
Start download.
Double tap to activate.
Okay, I'll click here. Now,
button. Double tap to activate.
If you are a first-time user of Videoder, anytime you want to download audio and you click on download button, it will download a plugin. That plugin is for Videoder to actually start automatic conversion of your file, your video files to audio when it is downloaded. Now, this thing is downloading.
Don Williams. T9 button. Don Williams. Serta button. Don Williams. T9 A14 GR button 1.
Okay, so after this GR, you can see 1. So that means you have 1 file in progress. Now you can check the percentage from the notification menu. Let's see.
Quick settings. Battery 69%. Home 3 hours. What was 6 point? Battery 69%. Home IQ MP3 recorder. IQ elapsed. Expand button. Home 3 hours ago. Clear all notifications. Battery 6. Clear all. Elapsed. IQ Videoder video downloader. Converting R98%. Don Williams dashboard. I hope this day is good. Open Parent 128 kbps.
So it's actually finished downloading.
Download complete.
And the conversion has been done. Okay.
Now,
how do I now get
button.
what I've downloaded? Now let me show you that. I'll go back to the
Don Williams T9 A14 GR button.
Now
filter.
This GR button
tap to activate.
is actually the downloads folder. And if you click it,
C comma button. Downloads. New button. Empty button. Selected all. Running. Completed. Interrupted. 0409. Don Williams dashboard. I hope this day is good. Open Parent 128 kbps. MP3. By Isaac Addy. MP3 128 kbps. Download.
So that's the file. And I can decide to open it if I really want.
Don Williams dashboard. Open file. Download another resolution. Open file. Just once button. Double tap. Always button. Just once button. Always button. Just once button. Don Williams dashboard. I hope this day is good.
I should be thankful, Lord, I know I should.
Back button.
So that's actually the song that was downloaded. You can hear that now. So, okay.
Back button. 0409. Don Williams. 0532. Quadra 0. Interrupted. Out of list. Double tap to activate.
Now, let me now show you another thing that you can do. Now, let's say you have a file, okay, and you wish to download that file.
List 9 items.
Let's see.
Button. 0306. You're my best friend live. Double tap to elate button. 0306.
Okay.
You're my best friend live.
Now this is
double tap to activate.
This is actually a song.
0306. You're my
and I will click on it.
Generating download links.
It will say generating download links. Now let's say I want to listen to this before downloading it. Yes, I don't know what it's all about and I want to listen to it before downloading it. So what I will do now, to really help you very well, swipe to where you have the audio download link.
Audio download links.
Good. Then swipe left now. Before I was swiping from left to right. Okay. Now when you now get to audio download links, then swipe from right to left. Just keep swiping.
A0P. Don Williams, Azure, my best friend, 1982.
Good. So once you get to the name, okay, and the song, now you just swipe left once.
QR button.
You hear QR. So if you click here, the song will start playing. Let's see.
You play school on my finger.
So that's it, and you can decide whether you want to download it or you don't want to download it. That's if you don't know what the song or what the video is actually all about. So you have that option of playing the song even before downloading it within the app. So that's all about Videoder. It's a very good app for downloading from YouTube, Facebook, Dailymotion, and some other sites that this application actually supports. I hope this tutorial will actually help you to actually be able to use this application very well. Thank you all. Thank you for your precious time watching and listening. We value your comment on our videos. For questions and concerns, please call +234 806160 9134 or send a mail to emmanueljunaidh@gmail.com. emmanueljunaidh@gmail.com. Catch you on the next video. Cheers.